So good morning, everyone. Having my morning cup of coffee and just wanted to share with you what I am going over from my study group this morning about positive mental attitude. Develop persistence with your positive mental attitude. So using a self-motivator reminder, such as I can, I will, and I must, used often enough, helps your positive mental attitude to become a habit. So now you know we are truly ruled by our habits. Whether your habit and their effects are positive or negative depends on your choices. You can choose not to allow your mind to be dominated by negative thoughts. You can make a conscious decision to replace any negative ideas and impulses with positive ones whenever they occur. So a positive mental attitude attracts its benefits like iron magnet attracts on filings. Positive mental attitude will automatically influence your mind to be more alert, your imagination to be more active. We create with our imagination, and your enthusiasm to grow and your willpower to increase. So positive mental attitude also attracts people, success, and wealth to you and turns problems into opportunities. So like I said, this is out of Napoleon Hill's Positive Thinking book that I was going through with my study group this morning. So enjoy your day. Work on your positive mental attitude and ways to self-motivate yourself to continue to be in a positive mindset so you actually get everything that you want in the right way. Much love. See you later.